What's up guys, this is Shotgun here. Today I'll be playing Slime Rancher. If you don't know what it is, it's basically where you collect these slimes. They're like this. There's different types. And you just collect them, discover new areas to find new slimes. And there's plots that give you money when you put them in. You can also have farms, different things like that. But let's just get into this. Today I'm just going to be looking around, going to get some crystal slimes, since when I was trying to get rid of some boom slimes, they killed me. And I had all my crystal slimes on me, and these are the plots, all the different types of ones. All the ones that are like properly coloured and not like dark, they're the ones that I have. Like I don't have this one, but I have all these here. So from that fire one, I have that one. I have not got that one yet, I don't think. Maybe I have, I don't know yet, though. But might as well just go on my mission to go and get some crystal slimes. And yeah. If you want more of this, then I would like us to get 8 likes. Or just 3 likes. Just any amount, like 1 like and I'll do another video. Right. This is the cave. I unlocked this area when I had the game ages ago, but I stopped playing it and now I just recently started playing it. Right. Right. Room, sir. Here's some puddle slimes. I have them in my cave at my ranch. Right. Whoa! I don't want to die. If you die, then you spawn back at home and lose all the stuff on you. Right. Whew. These ones, the green around them, yeah, if you go inside them, then they're toxic. Alright. Here we go. Oh, let me just... Right, basically... if you see here... Oh god, the star slimes. Star slimes are the bad ones. So you see, when you go over this bridge, over behind here, you'll see this, and then you go down here, then there'll be a big rock slime here, a blue one, and then you have to break it, then you'll get this teleporter. There's another way to get here, but this is just the easier way. Alright, let's get some crystal slimes. Is there really none here? Is there really none here? Let's wait a little bit for them to come. Maybe there's some outside. There we go. There's one. Alright. Nothing here. This guy's merged with the crystal slime, by the way. He's not a crystal slime. He's merged with the plots. Oh, come on. Wait, what would a crystal tabby look like? I don't even know if they can merge. Oh, that's so cool. Ow. Got one crystal slime. Maybe I should try and get some more honey slimes. Because it seems to me like there's not any crystal slimes out at the moment. This is like a volcano, by the way. Next episode I'll show you, well, not show you, I'll get some more green slimes. Actually, I'll just do it off camera. Alright. Up here. Here's another area. Here we go. Here's the jungle. Right, we're looking for some honey slimes. Wait, could you measure a honey slime with a crystal? Can you merge anything with a puddle? I don't think you can. I'm just gonna test it on this cat here. Oh, it went right past him. Yeah, they just don't have it. They really know honey slimes. Let me explore out a little bit more. Here we go. Oh god. Now we got a honey slime. I just want to test this. What if a honey slime has... No, whatever. Oh, for God's sake. Whatever. Oh god, no, there's a tar slime. Dealt with it, sprayed him with some water. Let's see if I can find any more honey slimes to put in my farm. Oh no. No. Take him. There we go, I'm gonna run. There might be some honey slimes over here somewhere. If we don't find them, I'll find them off camera and then we can do a next video. We'll see what we'll do. See, depends what I plan to do. But if you made it this far into the video, then thank you actually for watching through the video. Right. Oh, crates. See what we can get. So some chickens and fruit. Whoa, I don't want to die. I gotta be more careful. Is there any secrets around here? Nope. Just a little offhand. Right. I've not seen this bit yet. I'm gonna climb up it. This gives me Zelda vibes, the game. Alright. Not been up here. Is there anything else? There must be something up here. There's like a ladder up here. You would think. Right. Let's look over here. There might be something. I still have one key, but I can't find anywhere to use it. My friend said that there's someone else in this jungle. But I don't know. So, no more honey slimes, it seems. Like when I just want to find a slime, it's not there. But when I don't want to find it, it's always there. Ooh. Oh, I've been here before. They don't eat it. This is the guy that the plot comes from. There's his face. Alright, let's make a I don't think, yeah, I've seen this before. I think, at least. Yeah, I have. Nothing there. I'm gonna go back into the crystal area, see if there's anything there. I hope the quality on this video is good. Just appreciate how good this looks, this game. That's just, this area is probably one of the most beautiful areas in the game. Alright, let's go up here. Yep, we're back here. Oh, crap. Alright. Oh, hell no. Alright. Actually, let's go back home and check on and feed my slimes. Got one honey slime, that's kind of disappointing, and 2 crystal slimes after the 32 that I lost. So we've now got 30 more to get. These guys need feeding. What do they eat? Slimepedia. Honey slimes. Diet, fruit, flavor, mint, mango. I think I got a farm for the mint mango over here. Here are my farms. Here we go. Alright. I'm gonna pick up some of my other farms as well, like Oka. Really good at. You need a farm in this game it's just so much easier than having to just go out and actually find the food, just having a farm. And say if like you don't have like the sprinklers and stuff to make it grow quicker, just sleep for 2 days and then come back all the food will be regrowing. Well, that's what's happened with my experience with it. Alright, we need to get my carrots. I think I might go for the odd onions. I have 600 carrots already. I don't have many odd onions. And also, I need them for my, what's it called? I'm trying to think what it's called again. Crystal slime. If you ever want to find out what a slime does or its diet and what its favourite food is, go to the Slimepedia, go down to the one that you've got, and they'll say what it is. This one doesn't eat food, it just dispenses plants when it wants to. But yeah, let's feed these guys. Was it? Yeah, this. Just gonna put some in there. That should be enough for all of them. I'm gonna throw some of this in here. Well, all of it in there. Right. What is Oka Oka? I need to see. I think it's a resource. Oka Oka. Veggie. Rad slime. Maybe I need to go and feed my rad slimes as well. By the way, the crystal's favourite food is the odd onion. If you're looking for some, if you didn't know, just it's odd onion. Okay, let's go. Alright. I'm gonna throw all my Oka in there. What's this guy's favourite? By the way, the nightscaping, it's like little clones of them. Slimepedia. Right. Quantum Sands diet fruit. Crap. Well, yeah. Sadly, guys, that'll be the end of this video, and I'll see you next time on Shark Clan. Bye.